Alright guys, so here we go. Whew, look at that. That is crazy. Do you guys see this?
What's so serious? Let's get it, man. Lanes. Serious lanes. Serious lanes. Serious lanes. Serious. Serious lanes. Serious lanes. Serious lanes. Serious. Serious lanes. Serious lanes. Serious.
Subscribe now. Why so serious? What's going on, guys? It's your guy Serious Mindset, and I'm back with another video. And today is a glorious, special day. Look, guys, I got a question. First and foremost, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you put that like. I think I said it all wrong or whatnot. So subscribe, like, notification bell, and then of course make sure you drop that fire emoji right after your why so serious. I greatly appreciate it. Greatly appreciate it. But anyway, so today is a special day. As you see, we got the wide body in the garage with this alarm. So I got this little buzzing thing. Cut that off. So I got this little buzzing thing going because I'm trying to stop spiders and a whole bunch of other creatures that have been running around for whatever reason. So this is my first year in Washington State. So I don't know if Washington got this thing where spiders, Charlotte's Web, just wake up and they like, oh, okay, we need to migrate inside people's homes or whatnot. So for whatever reason, between myself and my wife, we've been clearing out spiders in the house, around the house. Man, crazy, like crazy, like we from the South. You see spiders and you see roaches and stuff, but spiders, they don't mess with you or they don't move. They just sit in their little corner like, But anyway, you guys can see the wide body thing sitting glorious inside of the garage, and I'm gonna have to. So what I've been doing is I've been actually cleaning out some of the space, of course, for the boxes. As you guys can see, the wheels are in, so we're about to do a boxing. You see the title of the thumbnail. So let's see. So what I want to do is I want to actually lift up a side, because if you guys don't know, or I just found out. So basically what I'm gonna be sporting, hold on, wait a minute. I'm looking around all in the garage trying to make sure everything is clear, but man, these spiders, they're huge. They're not like baby, like little nickel. I mean, not nickel. Nickel is kind of big. Like little penny. Penny is kind of big too. But you guys get what I'm saying. But these are like some nice nickel quarter size spiders. Like these are the ones that you like, oh, like you go, oh. But just trying to watch out, make sure I don't run into them jokers, because man, I don't know if they poisonous. You know, you got the recluse, you got some of them brown, some of them yellow bone. So, but yes, so we're gonna go ahead and set up, and you can tell the difference in the boxes, right? So check this out. So this box is wider than that, so I will be having a staggered stance. So this is a 12. So this is a 12 width. This is 11 width. So 11 in the front, 12 in the back. So what's crazy is I thought when I placed the order, because it's a custom order, I thought I was gonna do 11s all around. So they're not 11s all around. They're actually 11 in the front, 12 in the back. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get knife, because every time there's an unboxing, knife. All right, guys, so the battery had died, so I just switched batteries. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna test the fitment. So you can see I have the jack here. I'm gonna end up taking off this side of the wheel. I actually want to take off the other side, because I wanted to look at the other side to see, because I think it's something wrong with the other side going on again with the air. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and go in POV mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in POV mode, which is point of view. I know y'all like POV, what is that? Some type of, anyway, what's so serious? But I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car around, and then we're gonna pull off the rear right side, because you know I already did the repair on the rear right side because it was leaking at first. So if you didn't see that video, I'm gonna put it right there. So let's go ahead and switch out. All right. Ooh, that thing sounds magnificent. All right, so I still been struggling with this rear side. I think it's something wrong with that bag or either that line. So I'm gonna have to do some, oh, hold on. So I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on with that. But you guys can see 102, everything is right around a 3 PSI radius. So let me go ahead and move the car. Box, the first box. Oh, I'm so excited. We're gonna see what we got here, guys. This is crazy. All right. Oh, that didn't work. Well, that's how you do it. All right, let's see what we got here. Everybody that been wanting to see what my wheels look like. So now, you guys gonna get a chance to see it. Even me. So this is my first time. I've been sitting on these wheels for about, maybe about a week, because they came in last week. So I didn't even open them, as you guys can see, because it still had the little crate deal on there. Ooh. 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 Oh. Oh. Sheesh. Oh my God. What? And then they light too. Golly. This is 11, y'all. Three-piece wheel, by the way. Look at that lip. Look at this. Look at that. Y'all want to know what this is going to look like? So this is the front. Mind you, this is the front. And they are 20s. I didn't want to go anything higher because I'm on bags. And then the width of it as well. But look at that. I don't know if y'all can see. Oh, shoot. I need to wash that. Oh, that's why it still smells like rubber. That was from the other day. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh, yeah, that's going to bring it out. The front. So this is the front wheel. Three-piece by you. Three-piece. Three-piece, baby. So we're going to put this back up. This is a big boy right here. I want to see this one. See, what y'all don't understand about LD97, if you guys haven't been following them, is that they work with a lot of Challengers and a lot of wide bodies. And most of the builds that they do, even overseas, is they put like, they have like these, of course they do like Lambos and everything else, but the lip, so that lip was about right here, right? Give or take. It was about, yeah, look at this lip. Look at that. Do y'all see that? So this lip goes down to right here. So I imagine that lip being, that's 3 inches. That's 1, 2, about right here. I promise you, about right there. I promise you. Let's see. All right. Whew. I'm nervous. Hold on, let's close this up. Got a lot going on here, guys. All right, let's see. Oh, man. I thought it was going to be wider. No. I wanted it wider. So he did the matching lip. Damn. I actually wanted, well, actually it is. Golly, it is. So actually it gives it like maybe like an inch even more. So it's not as wide as I thought it was gonna be, but I mean, it's still wide though. If you think about it, it's still wide. So what we're gonna do is, yeah, we're gonna jack this thing up. Look how big this wheel is. You gonna see how big this thing is? Look at this. Whew. Look at that. All right, so we're gonna jack this thing up. A couple bugs on the side. Look at that. So what I put in here is I put some thread. It's not thread locker. It's like a special thread. I forgot what it's called. But it keeps. Oh, it's anti-seize. Yeah. So it's so these lugs don't seize up on me or whatnot. So I put these on there. So if you guys are wondering what that is, some anti-seize. This stick. All right. So what I wanted to do, guys, is I wanted to show y'all. I don't know why this bag's still giving me problems. I think I need to see if that thing still leaks. So I want to show from, I don't know if it's here to there. So from here to there. So from there, even if it rubbed, you guys can see from this wall to this fender, it's around a foot. So this is 12 right there. So even if it don't touch specifically here, you guys got to realize that's a 12-inch wheel right there. And then the wheel is a 325 as well. So between that and that, I don't know, it looks to be promising. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and see how this rear looks. Ooh. All right, guys, so here we go. Whew. Look at that. That is crazy. Do you guys see this? Look, do you guys see that? Like, between that width and that, golly. Mate, come here. Oh man, that wheel stick out. I don't know. Oh, that's bad. Look at, you see that? That's crazy. I don't know if I'm gonna do tire stickers. Man, do you guys see that? If I drop that down, I need a cardboard. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna slowly drop it down. Slowly. We're gonna slowly drop it down. Try not to nah, they gonna fit. gotta be careful. As you guys can see, that's crazy. Look at that. That is crazy. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Do you see how perfect that lit? Wow. Wow, that is perfect. Guys, look. Guys, look at this. That is like a perfect alignment right there. So, you know, oh my God, where am I? Hold on, let me show you guys. I'll show you better, I can tell you. Hold on. Look at this. So this is straight on the wheel well itself, but you can see the ruler kind of goes in a little bit to that way. So you can see, oh my God, that is perfect. So when I air out, wow. Where's my phone? Wow, that is crazy. All right, guys, we are back, and I'm on the phone right now. I'm on the phone with my bro El Fusio. Make sure you subscribe to his channel and Instagram. All his information will be linked in the description. But I just showed my bro what the wheels will be looking like, so he got a first-hand a view of it before you guys, considering the fact when this video dropped. But I wanted to show you guys. See, the wheels are back on now. The wheels and tires are back on, but the tires are supposed to be coming in a day now, so I already ordered those. And as you guys can see, the fitment is going to be so aggressive. The tire, the width of the actual wheel itself is just so thick, so everything is just going to come together. And then when it sits down, matter of fact, you guys can see, look how the tire right now sits just alone. So imagine, let me show you guys. So imagine, so the tire is gonna come out a little bit more, because these are 305s. So 325 is gonna come back a little bit more. You guys really can't see it because my hand in this dark. But at the end of the day, let me know what you guys think about that fitment and how aggressive this is. So I'm already calling it right now. You heard it, the best wide body challenger. I'm not talking about performance. I'm not talking about how fast. I'm talking about visual looks, like aggressive, like So I'm calling it, I have the best wide body challenger. So I guess we're gonna see how it looks whenever everything's installed, and then we're gonna validate what I just said. So at the end of the day, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, make sure you drop that fire emoji right after Why So Serious. I appreciate you guys for watching. Hey, look, and one more thing I need you guys to do. Big thing. Make sure you share. Make sure you share the video. I appreciate it. I appreciate everything. But nevertheless, stay tuned, stay serious. Why So Serious?
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Why So Serious?